Good morning, children. Today we will complete the chapter metals and non-metals, and the today's topic is corrosion. Uh, it is defined as the wasting of metal layer by layer due to the formation of metal compounds on their surface, especially in the presence of moist air. The corrosion in case of iron is called rusting. Corrosion leads to wastage of metals, thereby causing heavy loss of the nation economy. Titanium is highly resistant to the corrosion. It is called the metal of future. Iron forms the hydrate ferric oxide with oxygen in the moist air, which peels off the surface of the metal. This further exposes the surface of iron and it continue rusting. So copper and aluminium react with atmospheric oxygen to form their oxides, which are very hard and sticky. They continue sticking to the surface of metals and hence prevent the further rusting. Okay. I repeat, when the iron is exposed to the moist air for a long time, iron acquires a coating of brown flaky substance called the rusting, or uh, the corrosion in the case of iron is called rusting. Aluminium vessels lose their shine because dull when kept in air for a long time. It is because a dull layer of aluminium oxide is formed on the surface of aluminium. Uh, so aluminium oxide, uh, which is a layer is formed on the surface, is known as protective layer. And the prevention of uh, corrosion, we can follow the several ways to prevent rusting of object, and the first is painting. It means to coat the metal surface with paint to prevent air or water contact. Okay, steel furniture, iron bridge, etc are coated with paint. And the second is by applying grease or oil, oiling or greasing. Okay, the oil or grease cut off the contact of object with the other of moisture. Oh, brand new tools, scissors, knife, etc are coated with oil or grease to prevent their rusting. Even the bicycle chain are also coated with oil or grease to prevent their rusting. Okay. And the third is by galvanization. It is a process of preventing iron object from rusting by coating them with a non-corrosive metals like zinc. Okay, iron sheet used for making a rooftop, a bucket, iron pipes are galvanized to prevent corrosion. There is a reaction Zn plus Fe plus 2 is equal to Zn plus Fe, and the fourth is the tin plating and the chrome plating. Okay, Tin and chromium do not corrode. Okay, a thin layer of tin or coronium is applied on the iron and steel object by the electroplating. By alloying, uh, it is a method of mixing one metal with the another metal to make then resistance to corrosion. For example, iron is alloyed with chromium and nickel, and stainless steel, which is a alloy of iron, is formed. It is resistance to corrosion. And the gold and platinum, are shining metals. They are used in making jewelry. It is because they are non-reactive, yeah, unreactive metals, and they do not react with common reagents such as oxide, air, etc. And the second topic is alloy. Okay, alloy. What is a alloy? I repeat, alloy is a mixture of two metals. Okay, for example, brass is an homogeneous mixture of copper and zinc. Bronze is a homogeneous mixture of copper and tin. Okay, and whereas the solder is a mixture of lead and tin. Okay, uh, so an alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a metal to a non-metal. Preparation of alloy. The metal whose alloy is to be prepared is melted. First, it is melted, and then another metals are dissolved in it. And the properties of alloy: an alloy has a different physical properties. Uh, in general, alloy are stronger than its constituent element. Alloy are more resistant to corrosion. Alloy have lower electrical conductivity than its constituent element, and their melting point is also less. Alloy are harder than its continent metal. And the for example is, uh, iron is most widely used metal, uh, but it is never used in pure state. Okay, because of rusting. So when iron is mixed with a small amount of carbon, it becomes hard and strong. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron, nickel and chromium. Stainless steel is hard and does not resist rust. And the brass, it contains 80% copper and 20% of zinc. Okay, bronze. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin.